Flip in. Pull out. Why are you laughing, Phil? Somehow I actually want the toy left in this. I'm not sure why.
So Dan, straight after bottling day, what day is it?
It's brew day. we got the sterile solution out. We've got the fermenter out and things like that. So we thought we may as well try a quick make your own packet brew rather than the grain brew. We're going to try an extract brew today. Where did I pick this up from? I picked this up from the range. I haven't tried the range kits before, but we're going to give it a go, see what it's like. And this one's a bitter, so it's going to do 40 pints and prepare it in just 1 hour. So I've just opened the top of this kit and you can just see what it's like. It's split into two halves. You cut the top off, pull the instructions from one half. There's the syrup and gunk on the other half, and I'm just going to pull the instructions and read what to do. So
I'll be honest, it smells lovely.
We'll have a look and see. I assume this is the beer yeast English ale, which is a good start. We'll put that down there. We'll put that there. We'll read the instructions and we'll work out what to do in a few minutes.
Right, so fill up the packet with warm water.
Not the packet on the outside. Outside, we hope it doesn't melt too much and lose all our liquid. Okay.
Yeah, it is open. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Why is that then? Why do we need to do that? Just to get it a little bit.
It just loosens it up a bit, so it makes it easier to
pour out.
Pour out, yeah. And there's a little trick that we'll try. I've tried it with metal cans. We put a bit of hot water from the kettle into there to try and rinse it out. But I'm not sure what will happen with plastic, whether we try it or not.
Yeah, we'll try it.
Let's see how desperate we get. See how much we get left in there. Yeah, and the reason to get it all out is that we want to get the taste of the beer, but we also want to get the alcohol percentage up. So I think the kit is about 4.2%, if I can remember. Yeah, so we want to try and get that ABV on it. Okay, so we'll just clean up things and prepare for 15 minutes time where we can push that into the fermenter. And sterilising all the equipment we want to use, so we sterilise.
Your favourite topic, Dan? Sterilisation.
Sterilisation, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're just sterilising the spoon.
Spoon done.
Put it into the bucket, which is sterile.
You're going to rinse that through, or this is the no rinse sterilisation.
This is no rinse solution, so we just trying to get this out. What's that? This is the top for it, so that's sterile.
Everything gets sterilised.
Everything gets sterilised that interacts with the wort. Try and get a good seal, and we just give it a good shake, and hits the top.
You sterilise the scissors?
Yeah, just sterilise those, get them in contact with the liquid. Take care not to scratch or damage the fermenter, because we don't want to put extra places that bugs can sort of live. So we're not going to use sugar, we're going to use DME, which is dry malt extract. We can supplement it, which is the condensed malt, as we talked about before. So we're using liquid malt extract, which is in there, and just loosening up. And then we're going to use some dry malt extract, which is over here. So it's light and up. So it's two of these, which are the medium, which is good for ideal for bitter, and we make a bitter kit. So we add these to the hot boiling water instead of sugar.
Okay.
Yep. So
you would normally just add sugar because we haven't done the grains. We didn't add sugar before. You wouldn't add sugar if you're doing mash.
I could add sugar to this one, and that's what the instructions say. But if you want to make slightly better quality stuff, instead of using sugar for the sugars or dextrose for the sugars, we're actually using malt. And so this comes from the barley, and that comes from the sugar beet or sugar cane.
Okay.
So that's the difference.
So you're gonna take a kit and improve on it.
Yeah. So we sort of what they say, pimping up your kit. So we are pimping up.
Pimp up the beer.
We pinned it. Don't put that on there, Phil. I've sterilised that. The bag.
Oh,
What's this? Is that
yes. I got very excited because you pulled this out of the bag, and you told me about this, and I didn't understand it last time.
So
let me focus. Let me try and focus. There we go. Fermentation on day 7.
Yeah.
So when you added hops to the other one, it was when they were boiling.
So it says bitter hops. Add on day 7. So what These are normally are, dry hopping is called, and these normally add to the aroma and the taste of the beer, not the bitterness. Because if you add in bitter hops, you normally add them early on in the process when you boil the wort. Early on. So, but we won't need these today, but it would be 7 days after we start the fermentation process.
So a week today.
Yes. You also get the metal cans.
Yes.
And the metal cans, the way you get the stuff out of metal cans is you just add a bit of hot water at the end, and that gets the remaining stuff out of it. But the question we had is, would adding hot water into this damage the plastic and melt it and cause us no problems?
I don't think it's going to. I don't think you're going to need any. Let me show you a trick for it. Let me show you a trick.
See how much you can get out of there, and you show me the trick out of the camera.
See.
Science in progress here, guys. Oh,
is anything coming out?
There's a dribble. I can see a dribble. Hot liquid.
Can I taste that?
I wouldn't dip your finger in it quite yet. We'll try dipping some hot water in it.
Why can't you just eat? You could eat that now, can you?
You can eat it, yeah. It's not going to kill you. Not much, anyway. Yeah. You can have a sandwich if you want, Phil. What's called? Who needs a pint of beer when you just buy the concentrate and actually lick it?
God, that's strong.
So how much have we added there, Phil? That's 1.6 litres.
Okay, 1.6 litres
We'll put that into
of
here.
boiling, well, just off boil water.
That's gone into the liquid malt extract solution.
Do you want your spoon?
Not quite yet.
Not yet.
We'll stir in a minute. We don't want to cross-contaminate things with it. Okay, 1.4.
Okay, yeah, 1.4 to make a total of 3 litres.
3 litres of boiling water into there.
Now, do you need
It smells like something you drink before you go to bed to put you to sleep, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It smells like what's the Bovril? Is it Bovril or something like that? The malt. Horlicks, that's what it is. It smells like Horlicks.
Smells like a brewery.
Yeah, no,
Is
it's
it,
Horlicks.
so there's no alcohol yet though, is there?
There's no alcohol, this is just it's sugar. Watery sugar, that's what wort is. Wort. Okay, so now we can add the DME. So that looks like it's mixed in, apart from the half a kilogram on the spoon. But we'll mix that through with some water. So.
Oh my god.
We'll add some cold water now. Up to the 40 gallons with it.
So how many litres of cold do you need to add, or do you just add to make up? Did you say 5 gallons? Is it?
It needs
4 gallons?
It's 23 litres. So 23 litres it needs to be. And this thing measures 5 gallons, so it doesn't quite measure where it needs to, but we can guess. We'll measure up to 19 on the side, and there we are, look at that cleaning up.
So at this point it doesn't matter if we've got air in the mixture.
No, we want air in the mixture.
We want air in the mixture.
Because we actually want a lot of air, or as much air as we can, because the air helps the yeast do its bit. So that's why you catch me dropping it from a high position.
You have to stand on the desk.
Oxidation is a process afterwards. It's called aeration.
Oh, we're aerating. Oh yes, of course we are. The fish love it. When we have the fish, they'll love this.
We are not adding fish to this beer. It is not part of this brew day.
40 pints. So is this going to be your Christmas brew, Dan, is it?
It'll probably be November's brew. So we can use this thing, and this needs to be sterile. So that's a good job that I left the Star Sand solution in here, because we can actually put this in, give it a shake around.
That looks very phallic, Dan. Now.
Yeah, we're just clean. That's what I felt.
It's just not right.
I'm just cleaning the end.
It's just not right.
We'll just give it a little shake. This part we don't need to clean because that's not getting in touch with the wood. There we are. In. Pull out. Why are you laughing, Phil? Somehow I actually want to go to the toilet after this. I'm not sure why.
That's just wrong, that is.
Let's go take a few of these.
That chap needs to drink a bit more water.
The liquid, some people throw in the liquid, but I prefer to do it this way because we can see it. There we go. Did you say?
I did, Dan, yeah.
Yeah. So that's 10, 0, 3, 2. Okay, so we're using sterile scissors.
What for?
Better switch light on, a little bit dark. So to cut open the yeast, and then we're going to pitch the yeast in the wort. There we are, we'll just put that there, and we're just going to sprinkle on the top, like that. So I'm pitching the yeast. There's plenty of yeast there.
You have a song to sing while you're pitching yeast.
Pitching yeast. I do.
I'm pitching the yeast.
I said to mix. Normally don't mix, but the instructions this time said mix. So what's left to do? We've got to get the lid on.
Lid on?
Lid on. Stop any bad, nasty bits getting in there. Sterilised water. You can see that. That's to form the seal.
It's your U-bend.
Yep. And we can put this on here and just turn this in. And the big thing about these bungs, you have to make sure they are the right way around, because it's easy to put them the wrong way around, pushing they actually go into the beer. Put the sterilised top on there. All done. Brew day is now over.
No star.
No star.